Okay guys, welcome to day 17 of solving an integral today, and today we have a special integral for u substitution which was recommended by Vedanth. Where's Vedanth? This is Vedanth, this is his photo, this is also his photo. He has recommended this integral for me, so today we're going to be doing Vedanth's u sub integral. Let me set up again. Okay, so Vedanth sent the integral cos of root ln x by x root of ln x dx. Let me put the x in bracket. Okay. So this question has two ways to solve. There you can do double substitution. So you substitute ln x as u, then you get another integral, and then you have to do one more substitution. But the easier way to solve this integral is just to go through one substitution. Now I know I always said to use the denominator as u, but again, if you tried using our denominator as u, you would not get any term which you can replace here. So when you have implicit functions like this, where there is something else where a normal term is supposed to be, this more often than not is the u. So here we would take our u as root ln x. Now if you differentiate it with respect to x, you would get du by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root ln x, this whole thing multiplied by, so it's chain rule, so you differentiate this function, then you differentiate this function by 1 by x. So you would get du, so it would be x, du is equal to 1 by 2 root ln x into x. Now you can see that the root ln of x into x is the term we have up here. So this we already have here. So this we would just simplify and we would get 2 du is equal to dx by x root ln x. And then if you combine this dx with this is the exact same thing we got over here. So we can rewrite the integral as the integral of cos u, because we assumed our u to be ln x, du, because our du is just dx by x ln of x. And this is, I think we did on day 8. It's just a standard cos integral. So what do you get? What do you differentiate to get cos? Sine. So this, oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. This is 2 du. This is only 1 du. And we learned that 2 is always a constant, and constants are always taken out of the integral. So dx by x ln of x, this is equal to 2 du. So we take only du here, and then we get a 2 here, and that 2 we take out here. So our final answer would be 2 sine u plus or minus c. But there's one thing we're forgetting again. U is a substitution we did, so this is not our final answer. So our final answer would be substituting this u back into the sine. So 2 sine root ln of x plus or minus c. So this is our final answer to this question. So firstly, I hope you all understood the substitution, because today we didn't substitute the denominator. We had to substitute something else, and this you just learn from practice a lot. So yes, thank you Vedanth for asking for this integral. I also saw a comment asking for the Bode-Wien integral, and I have to admit I'm not that smart, so I have to research about that. But we will do the Bode-Wien integral on day 200. Yeah, we'll do the Bode-Wien integral on day 200. So there's 183 more days left. Then we'll do the Bode-Wien integral that day. This was today's U sub question. Bozo's here again, and I will see you tomorrow on day 18. Bye bye.